Hello everyone, welcome to College Deco's official YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about KSET document verification process such as important instructions and list of documents required for KSET counseling. The rank-wise dates and time slots link is available in the video description. So you can click on the link available in video description to check the rank-wise dates for KSET document verification. So let's go into list of documents required for KSET counseling. So you need to carry these documents to KSET document verification such as printout of KSET application form, KSET admission ticket, hall ticket, class 10th and 12th mark sheet or certificate, and study certificate. Last 7 years study certificate you need to carry to the document verification center, and NATA mark sheet. So NATA mark sheet is only applicable for candidates who is aspiring for admission to architecture courses. And apart from that, Kannada medium certificate for candidates who studied in Kannada medium from class 1 to 10. So if you had studied in Kannada medium from class 1 to 10, then you need to carry Kannada medium certificate. Candidates who had studied outside Karnataka, that too in Kannada medium, then also you need to submit the Kannada medium certificate. And then rural studies certificate if applicable, and caste and income certificate. So caste and income certificate is mandatory to only those candidates for whoever it is applicable, like reserved categories and candidates who wants to claim reservation. So caste and income certificate is required for such candidates. And some of the important instructions regarding KSET and document verification. So the candidates need to follow these instructions. If you are appearing for certificate verification or document verification, you need to follow these instructions very carefully. The document verification will happen rank-wise and time slot to the respective rank range. So KEA has allocated rank-wise dates and a time slot for each rank. So you need to attend document verification as per that particular time slot. And so you are advised to check the rank-wise document verification dates and time slot through the link available in video description. So KEA has set up 29 model centers or helpline centers for certificate verification. So you can visit any of the nearest helpline center in your location for the scheduled rank-wise date and time slot, so that the candidates will be allowed into document verification center as per their ranks. And it is important to keep hearing the announcements made from time to time at the certificate verification center. So you will be allowed at least 30 minutes before the scheduled time into the document verification center, but you need to listen to the announcements carefully regarding the ranks of the candidates who will be called into certificate verification hall. And some other instructions include candidates must note that no separate document verification is necessary for multiple disciplines. So for example, if you had completed the document verification for engineering, then the same document verification is valid for admission in B Pharma or Pharma D or any other course through which you can get admission in KSET. So in simple words, document verification is a one-time activity irrespective of whatever stream you are choosing at the time of option entry. Candidates are required to attend the document verification with original documents and 2 sets of photocopy of all original documents. So you need to carry original documents as well as two sets of photocopies of all the original documents. And some other instructions are, after completing the document verification, the authorities will provide a secret key, which is very important for filling the option form. So if you want to fill college option, you need to complete document verification and you need to receive the secret key from the verification authority. So only those candidates completing the document verification process and receiving the secret key will be eligible for option entry of KSET. So at the end of each day after document verification, KEA will release the list of eligible candidates for counseling through on its official website, that is kea.ka.nic.in. So you need to check. So if you attended certificate verification today, by evening after 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. you need to check this official website for the eligibility list and find out if you are eligible for counseling or not. If you are not eligible for counseling, KEA will specify the reason why you were not eligible for the counseling. So then you need to rectify the error and you need to go for redocument verification on the scheduled dates. So for the latest KSET counseling updates, you can keep visiting College Deco, and good luck to all the students who are aspiring for admission in multiple courses through KSET counseling. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.